Welcome to Watersong Resort, a gated community that perfectly balances luxury, tranquility, and proximity to Orlando's world-famous attractions. This prestigious community offers 3 to 15 bedroom properties, each designed with privacy and comfort in mind. Every home has its own private pool, many of which back onto conservation areas, giving guests a secluded, peaceful environment. The centerpiece of the community is the 6,700 square foot clubhouse, which offers a range of world-class amenities. Here, you'll find a resort-style pool, a heated spa, a fully equipped fitness center, and even a cyber cafe for staying connected. The clubhouse also features a large gathering room for events or meetings. Outdoors, you can enjoy a game of beach volleyball, or relax with friends in the picnic area. For families, the children's playground is a hit, providing a safe and fun space for kids to play. Nature trails surround the resort, offering peaceful walks where you can experience Florida's wildlife up close. Golf enthusiasts are well catered to, with the Providence Golf Club located just 3 miles away. Other top golf courses, such as Reunion and Champions Gate, are also a short drive from the resort, giving guests plenty of options to enjoy a round of golf. Watersong's location is truly unbeatable. While you can enjoy the peaceful surroundings and natural beauty of the community, you're still just minutes away from Orlando's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. Watersong is located just 15 minutes from Walt Disney World and within easy reach of Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and Legoland, making it an ideal base for vacationers who want to enjoy the excitement of Orlando while retreating to a peaceful, natural setting at the end of the day. Whether you're investing in a rental property or looking for a personal vacation home, Watersong Resort offers the perfect blend of relaxation and accessibility. Its luxurious amenities and natural setting make it one of the most sought-after communities in Central Florida. For further information on homes for sale in Watersong Resort in Davenport, Florida, call Susan at Fathom Realty on 407-259-6211. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more Orlando real estate information and local market updates. We look forward to seeing you soon in sunny Central Florida. Have a great day.